guys, welcome to Medledge. I hope you have watched my previous videos. If not, what are you waiting for? Go for those after the end of this video. Now, without wasting any time further, let's get into today's topic. Guys, you won't believe the best book for passing physiology university exam is neither Guyton nor Gannon. It is none other than Physicon. Many of you might have heard this book's name for the first time, right? I'm sure. But guys, believe me, it is really an amazing book and it guarantees 100% success in your all physiology exams. Before I go into the review proper, let me tell you that I have given the purchase link of this book in the description of this video. So if you have heard about this book earlier, immediately go to the link and buy it. What are you waiting for? Yeah, you would like to see the review, right? So let's get into the review. So guys, physiology is that subject which has many good books. So first year MBBS students get confused about which book should they study for their physiology subject during the first year. Physicon is the best solution for anyone who wants to pass physiology exam smoothly. You might not get distinction studying this book because it is a short book, but you will pass definitely. And it doesn't compromise on concepts like other short books does. It contains texts which are mixture of texts of Guyton and Gannon, the standard physiology books. So basically you cover two books in a very effective and easy manner by reading Physicon. Physicon is a black and white book, that is there are no colored images, but the black and white images are enough to make you understand the concepts properly. It has got easy to understand language and illustrations like flow charts, tables and flow diagrams which aids to memory. Also, because of the fact that it is a short textbook, you can easily revise the entire book within 4 to 5 days if you have read it before. And if you haven't read a book, if you haven't read a topic so far in physiology and you have a physiology exam say tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then this is the only book which can help you in that situation. I have personally used this book as my primary source of information for physiology in the first year and I have got good results with this book. So you can definitely trust this book, if not as your primary source of information, then at least the last resort which you can use just before exams. If I go topic wise, CNS, that is central nervous system, is well described in this book which you don't get in many other books for physiology. Especially the basal ganglia, cerebellum, spinal cord are properly described and priority is given to the important points. So no excess information is given, so definitely there will be no extra burden for your mind. The chapter on temperature regulation is very simple and short in this book. Cardiovascular system is also explained properly. The only mistake which I found with the older edition of this book was that there was a mistake in the flow diagram for triple response. But I am sure that the authors have rectified that in the present edition of the book. The book also contains a section exclusively for practicals, which is flooded with lots of Viva questions. This section also has the procedures. Finally, there is a section for multiple choice questions and question bank is also there. Also, there is a section containing the normal values of different parameters in physiology. This makes easy to revise the values. So I would say that Physicon is a complete book in itself. Do purchase the book. The purchase link is in the description and kickstart your preparation with this book for achieving success. No more confusion guys and no more worries. All the best and crack your physiology exam. Thank you.